Alright, Superhero Stepdad back with a quick video showing some recent cards that I have that I'm going to crack and send to PSA. I've got some heavy hitters here. First up, I'm not going to crack this one because it's just too expensive, but I am going to send it to PSA. This is Nikola Jokic. It's his Silver Prism rookie, and it is a quad 9.5 True Gem. All four subs are 9.5. And I looked it over. PSA 9s are selling somewhere in the $1,000 range. PSA 10s are around $3,500. So we paid $1,800 for this, and we figured that it's got a decent chance of crossing to a 10. I looked it over the card. As you can see, again, all four subs are 9.5. There's a lot. Let me take it out of this stuff here. I'm gonna set the camera to do this here. Alright, so those scratches you see there are on the case. The only issue that I could see is it does look like it has a refractor line right going through here horizontally across, like through his stomach area, and possibly a second one going through his waist right there, if you can see that. I believe that might be a refractor line there, and not sure, that might be another one right there. So that's the only concern. So we're gonna send this in to crossover service and leave it in the case and say, PSA, if it gets a 10, crack it, put it into your PSA 10 holder. If it doesn't, just leave it as is, and then just most likely just hold on to it for a bit till the season starts, and then sell it as this 9.5 True Gem, because everything else about it is just incredible. The only issues, like I said, I looked under magnification, the only issues I could see were those tiny little refractor lines right there. Sometimes PSA doesn't care about them, sometimes they do. So we figure we'll roll the dice and hopefully we get the bump on that. Other cards I have is Bryce Harper, 2012 Topps Archives rookie autograph. He's my current favorite player on my all-time favorite team. This got a BGS 9 with a 10 auto. The subgrade centering 8.5. We know PSA isn't as strict with centering as Beckett or some of the other companies, but still 8.5 is a little bit low. Edges 9.5, corners 9, surface 9.5. So the corners are a little concerning. I don't think this will cross to a 10, but I think it will sell for more. If I were to sell it one day, it'll sell for more in a PSA 9 holder than in a BGS 9 holder that it is currently in. So this one we're gonna crack out and send it in. Back is pretty nice. Also have the Bryce Harper 2012 Archives short print that is not autographed, and this has a 9. Centering got a 10, edges got an 8.5, corner is 9, surface 9.5. I'm not sure what's the deal with the 8.5 on the edges. I'll have to see that closer whenever I take it out of the case. But see a little bit of white on the corners there, but that's to be expected when the corner's got a 9. But the fact that this has a 9.5 on surface is good, because I'm not certain, but I think this is paper stock. I don't know if this was chromium finish on this, or at least like a slick type surface like they are now, but yeah, I'm gonna roll the dice and hopefully this gets at least a PSA 9. I think PSA 9 comps are somewhere in the like 400 to 500 range. So we'll see what that gets. Got Bryce's Topps Update, 2012 Topps Update Gold. And this is a BGS 9, centering 9.5, edges 9, corners 8.5, and surface 9.5. So the corners have an 8.5, obviously, you know, the best case scenario. I would hope for to get a PSA 9. That corner there, you can see some white on that. I'm sure that's the main one, because the rest, they're not really that bad. That one up there has a touch of white. Not to be confused with a touch of gray, like the Grateful Dead say, which is a fantastic song. Not a Grateful Dead fan, but that is a great song. Anyway, that one I'm hoping to get a PSA 9. And then I have this, another copy of it, and this was a SGC 9, and we don't know what the issues are in here. You can see some white on the corners. That said, I did send in a raw copy of this card and got a PSA 10 recently, which surprised the heck out of me. But I've been trying to get as many of his gold rookies as I can, because I think I don't try to do any long-term card holding or investing, but this is one card that I am holding because I think that it has a better than average chance of going crazy high. In 10 years, I look at Albert Pujols' gold rookie card of his set from 2000, I believe it is, or 2001, and his PSA 9, I just saw somebody at the National, I think it might have been Elite Go, just picked up a PSA 9 of his for like $1,500, $1,200 or something like that, and even he said that he thinks the card is undervalued and should go up more. So, I mean, if 9s of Pujols, not comparing Harper to Pujols, but he's not that far off. You know, Pujols has, what, 3 MVPs? Bryce already has 2. You know, Bryce will probably get somewhere near 500 homers, somewhere near the 3,000 hits, you know. So if 9s of Pujols are $1,000, you can pick up PSA 9s of this card right now for like 150 bucks. You know, 10s are around 1,000. So I expect that card to go up quite a bit as more hype comes to Bryce's card market. You know, the closer he gets to those milestones in the next decade. But that's what I have right now. So I'm gonna craft these cards out, other than the Jokic, which is just gonna be sending crossover service. And whenever they come back, I will update the results here. All right, thanks.